In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images in Google Flow with Nano Banana Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right quality so your downloads look great and are ready to use. First, head to labs.google.cfx in your web browser. This is the main landing page for Google's creative tools. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the buttons and tiles appear. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry, what you need will still be in roughly the same area. Next, click on Launch Flow. This opens the Flow workspace where your projects and image generations live. If you're navigating for the first time, think of Flow as your project hub. Each tile represents a project, and inside those projects, you'll find the images you created with Nano Banana Pro. Now, locate and click the project that already has images generated with Nano Banana. You'll recognize it by its thumbnail grid and the project title. If you have several projects, skim the previews to find the one with the images you want. Opening the correct project ensures you're looking at the exact outputs you intend to download, which saves time later. Inside the project, choose the photo you want to save. Hover over the image or select it so you can see the menu with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots and select Download. This menu is your quick action spot, and download is the fastest way to grab the exact version you see. Your browser will handle the file just like any other download, typically placing it in your default downloads folder. When prompted, select a quality. You'll see options like 1K, 2K, and 4K. Higher numbers mean higher resolution and a larger file, which is great for crisp detail. Keep in mind that 2K and 4K are available on upgraded plans, while 1K is a solid choice for quick sharing and web use. A helpful rule of thumb: choose 1K for on-screen content or social posts, 2K for presentations or light print work, and 4K when you want the highest clarity or plan to crop and still retain sharpness. Expect larger sizes to take a bit longer to download. That's it. Go to labs.google/fx, launch Flow, open the right project, pick your image, use the 3-dot menu to download, and choose the resolution that best fits your needs. Repeat the same process for any other images you want to save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your downloads from Google Flow with Nano Banana Pro.